I'm Tommy, a 50-year-old amateur hiker, and I'm challenging myself to hike every trail in every state park in Texas. Can I do it? I'm not really sure, but I'm going to have a lot of fun trying. So subscribe if you'd like to follow me on this journey. In January of last year, I know I'm a little behind, I headed to Meridian State Park to hike a few trails, including this one, the Bosque Hiking Trail. The Bosque Hiking Trail, which is the 19th trail on my journey, is a challenging 2.2-mile trail. With this trail, you get to walk completely around Lake Meridian. As I mentioned, this trail is at Meridian State Park, just southwest of Meredian, Texas. And Meredian, Texas is in Bosque County, which is about an hour and a half from Dallas. On this trail, you get to see and walk across the Civilian Conservation Corps Dam. And of course, you get to see this breathtaking view of the lake from the Bee Ledge lookout point. I remember this area here fondly as a kid, playing football with my family, watching one of my brothers race my father as they were both heavily into track. Sometimes we'd stay in a travel trailer, but sometimes we'd stay in these screened shelters here. Take a look at some of the great spots along my hike. So the trail map says this trail is 2.2 miles. I logged 2.5 miles and it took me about an hour to hike. Also, this was the last trail to hike at this state park, making it the second one I've now completed. If you're enjoying this series, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks, and I hope to see you on the next trail.